Building a website for your lawn mowing service doesn't have to be complicated, and it doesn't have to be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site platform to build a simple and affordable website for your lawn mowing service. Let's get started. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We've pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed, so make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. And we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's go ahead and search for our market, lawn mowing service. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. Great, let's multi-sites a few basic details about our lawn mowing service so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, multi-site will work its magic and create a simple website for your business, do all the hard work, and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now because today I'm going to be the one to show you around. Now, the beauty of the multi-site platform is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of your business you'd like to showcase on your websites. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, make it a bit more personalized to your very own business, how you got into the industry, a little bit of your background and your history. I'm sure your customers would love to hear your story. To make changes on the multi-sites platform, you don't need to know any website coding, not at all. You don't need to be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. Let me show you around. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to put in a few basic details about my lawn mowing service, my email address. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So I'm going to go ahead and check that box. Excellent. The phone number is click to call. And physical location, maybe you are a mobile business, but if you have a physical location, you can pop it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address, top left-hand corner, be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Now, underneath update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website so your customers can give you a follow on social media and get some engagement going. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. If you don't have a business logo and you don't have a huge budget for a logo, we recommend you check out our other videos. We have some helpful tips on creating a logo for completely free. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that little pencil icon to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames to your logo. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo to fit into that section a bit better, make it bigger and smaller. Now, this color used throughout the website is quite fitting for my lawnmower service, but if you'd like to change the colors, you don't need to know color coding at all. Click on that paint bucket icon, bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options to choose from. There are so many options. For each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your very own business, click on that update section button. Underneath update images where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos if you have an Instagram profile, of course. Now, underneath the update action, we have those call to action buttons. This is where you can change the text on the buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with more details on your pricing for your lawnmower services. If you take online bookings, you can actually link to another website, third party, pop in their URL over here. So when your customers click on that call to action button, it will automatically take them to an online booking system. Now, in the last section at the bottom, this is what we call a lead generation form, where your customers can easily reach out to you for their convenience. Keep track of all your leads coming in your Marty dashboard. Now, custom domains are really easy as well. If you have a custom domain and you wish to connect it, click on that yellow connect your domain button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain yet, well, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors in your local area. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. It's super convenient. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on the Mighty Sites platform for your lawnmower services. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.